Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rishi, and this is the part 3 of Form 1, Chapter 4, Ratios, Rates, and Proportions. And in this part, we are going to take a look at proportions. Without any further ado, let's begin. So in the prior two videos, we have taken a look at rates and ratios. So just a quick recap, ratios is when we compare two quantities. And rate is when we compare two quantities still, but now they are both dependent on each other. So for example, we have meter per second, and in rates, most often than not, the last part will be per second or 1. That's the basis of it. Although it's not always the case, in most of the cases it's just 1. And for now, in this video, we are going to take a look at proportions. Proportions is when we are relating two different ratios and two different rates. They are different in terms of numbers, but technically they are the same. For instance, it is given that Ali can run 20 meters in 1 second. I know it's quite long for 1 second, but still, 20 meters in 1 second. So, if I were to ask you, how far can he run in 5 seconds? So, it would look something like this. 5 seconds, and let's put X as the unknown. So what would you do in order to find the distance covered by Ali in 5 seconds? So logically, we know that if you can run 20 meters in 1 second, and in 5 seconds, you would run 5 times of what you ran in 1 second, which is times 5, and you will get 100 meters. So let's see another example. If a mechanic can repair 5 cars in 1 hour, how many cars can he repair in 6 hours? So let's put X here. The same thing here. 1 hour becomes 6 hours, so we multiply it by 6. So these 5 cars will be multiplied by 6 as well. Then you'll have 30 cars. This can also work the other way. So assuming that we have 5 cars and can be repaired in 1 hour, and if the mechanic manages to finish repairing 35 cars, how long did it take him? So from 5 to 35, we multiply it by 7. So from 1 hour to get to the desired hour, we will have to times it by 7 as well, and we will get 7 hours. That's it. As simple as that. And if you're unsure of how to do this kind of multiplication, there's also another way. So let's take this question, for example. So here, there is something we have learned in our primary school. We call it cross multiplication, where you can just cross multiply. Then you will get 6 times 5, you will have 30 here, equals to 1 times X, which will give you the answer X is equals to 30 cars in this case. That's it. Both of these methods are accepted in the examinations, so choose whichever you are comfortable with. Remember, although all of these 3 videos that I've posted on this chapter might be short and you might not get the complete understanding of it, do not worry, because I'm just giving you the fundamental concepts in these videos. In the next video, in the last video of this chapter, I will be showing you how to handle the questions related to this chapter, and trust me, you will have a better understanding from that. But make sure that you have a very good understanding of these fundamental concepts. As usual, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Till then, Bye bye.